Xiamen JIAZHIJING New Energy Technology Company Limited is located in the beautiful coastal city Xiamen. With a registered capital of 10 million yuan, JIAZHIJING has a affiliated production base in Zhangzhou, Changtai District, with a high-quality production, management, and sales team. Currently, there are 31 automatic photovoltaic bracket production equipment, with an annual capacity of 30,000 tons, can produce several font pile, U-shaped support, C-type steel sandalwood bar bracket, BIPV sink, and other various products. Knowing that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products, we have established a quality management system to meet the requirements of the International Quality Management System, with continuously releasing the original innovations according to the market and customer needs. Our company always maintains the novelty and innovative products to take the customer's thoughts and urgency into consideration. Providing excellent service for customers and meeting customer needs are our eternal pursuit. We can design and produce according to the drawings provided by our customers. Both ODM and OEM orders are welcome. From international photovoltaic bracket, integrated solution manufacturer to photovoltaic mounting system, one-stop solution supplier, we accurately control every link, strictly adhere to the quality, efficient operation of smart factory. JIAZHIJING is steadily moving forward to transform energy with science and technology, so that clean energy can better protect green homes.